Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we are reviewing another pair of heating gloves. Let's go ahead and show you what they look like. So right away inside we see they provide us with all the accessories needed and the batteries needed. So your batteries are going to be right inside here. So this is one of your batteries. Let's go ahead and read some features. It's 7.4 volts, 3000 mAh, 22.2 Wh, so watts. It's a lithium polymer battery, and you get two of them, one for each glove, and you just connect them by plugging in the cable right here. For charging, they provide you with an outlet USB charger, but you can also charge it with any other USB plug. So what you would do is you plug this into either this and then into the wall, or you plug this into a USB power bank or anything else, and then these get plugged into your batteries just like this, and that will charge them. So while we're waiting, we're going to go ahead and charge them up. When you plug it in, there's going to be an indicator light right on here. It's red, so that means they are both not charged yet. So guys, right here you get a user guide, you get a carrying intelligent bag, and then you also have the gloves right in here. So these are the gloves. They come together. So all you do is you press this button in the center. That way they're apart. Right on here you have your on and off. So you press and hold the on and off button to turn it on and to turn it off. You have an indicator light. Let's see the size. Yes, so the size is true to your size. So if you normally have a size large, get these in large then. You can adjust the strap here to make it tighter. That makes it tighter around your wrist. If you want it tight behind your wrist, you just simply pull this and you keep pulling this and it gets tight right on your arm. Press and hold this and pull it out to release that, and it loosens it up. Pull this up and it releases the grip around your wrist, and you can pull your hand right out. So they are super soft inside. We can go ahead and read this. The shell of it is 55% polyester, 20% nylon, 20% polythene, and 5% elastin. Lining is 100% polyester. They are a nice looking pair of gloves. Let's go ahead and test them out now. So inside your glove, you would go ahead and open this up. There's a Velcro piece in here. If you feel around inside, it's right inside here. If you feel around, you'll find a wire. Pop the cap off and connect your battery just like this. Once you connect it, it's going to light up and it shows green and then it goes off. That just lets you know that it's connected. Go ahead and put this back inside, Velcro it right back, and it's back like you never did anything. So we're going to go ahead and place our hand inside here. Alright, so you press and hold, and now it's going to be red. So now you press it again, press it again, press it again, and you have different modes. So you have high mode, that means it's all 3 bars are lit up. Medium, only 2 bars are lit up. And low, only 1 bar is lit up. We're going to go ahead and have it on and see how long it takes to heat up. I'm not going to have you guys watch my hand this whole time, so I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes and my hand is toasting. It definitely heats up good, works good. You can move your fingers pretty freely. I wouldn't say 100% freely, but you can move them pretty good. So there's different heating gloves. These are bulker heating gloves, so these are great for really cold temperatures. You can still grip perfectly fine. You can still grab everything fine. No issue with that. It's just going to be for like the fine details, like pressing the buttons. It's going to be a little harder, like with your thumb, if you have to press any buttons, which, you know, if you're using gloves, you probably aren't, especially heating gloves. These are great for all different events outside. Overall, they're really nice. I do like them. Heat up great. So far, I'm very happy with them. They look nice. Function very good. Especially for being as bulky as they are. I mean, you can really move your fingers around.